And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this week's Sea Lion Splash.
Get ready, McGaw, because we have an action-packed Sea Lion Splash, starting with hello. Our Sea Lion leaders greeted everybody starting on Monday with wonderful signs and cheerful messages of encouragement. Our kindergartners had their first experience in the STEM lab, and Miss Capone created an amazing art lesson so our students learned what it means to be creative while also being neurodiverse. The life lessons continued as Mr. Brent Poppin talked to each of our students about what it takes to overcome diversity and to spread kindness and the message that anything is possible if you put your mind to it.
Are you ready to come walk in my shoes?
Let's go! One of the greatest traditions here at McGaw is the Come Walk in My Shoes event, where we hope that students can participate in activities that help to open their minds and hearts to have a better understanding and compassion for students who live with physical or developmental challenges.
Check it out.
This year, 4th grade teacher Ms. Duncan teamed up with parent volunteer Emmy Harris to make Come Walk in Our Shoes better than ever before. It takes so many staff members and parent volunteers to make sure that Come Walk in My Shoes is an event to remember. Thank you so much for dedicating your time and your compassion to our wonderful school. Hey Sea Lions, did you know that we are currently in a PTA membership drive? This right here, over there, is a gauge to let us know when we've reached 500 memberships. We're way below, and I know that you can show up and get involved. So consider donating to the PTA by becoming a member, and you can earn a cool surprise from the PTA if we reach 100% participation. I know you can do it, and I know that our school is going to show up for the PTA. Thanks so much, and we'll check in next week.
This is Sea Lion leader Jack Stanley with this week's announcements. Sea Lion Chorus is on Monday after school. Picture Day begins on Tuesday for grades UTK, kindergarten, and 5th grade. Day 2 of Picture Day is on Wednesday for grades 1, 2, 3, and 4. The DJ dance party is on Wednesday at lunch. Pageant tryouts continue this Thursday for 5th grade. Submissions for the PTA Reflection Contest are due on Friday. And finally, the Sea Lion Awards are on Friday.
Here are some words of encouragement from our Sea Lion leaders.
Be brave. Be helpful. Be strong. Be positive. Be confident. Kindergarten.
Congratulations to UTK student David Gibson. Mr. Larson saw that David was being a great coach. He saw him encourage and teach a classmate how to climb a big ladder. Way to go!
4th grade.
Our winner in 1st grade is Josh Lugo. Josh was a super writer today and tried his best. Way to go, Josh! Mrs. Monteleone really appreciates you.
2nd grade.
Mrs. Bassage was really impressed by 2nd grader Jack Rebocio. Jack was amazing. He was being calm in music, and he was also being a leader. Way to be responsible, aware, and honorable.
3rd grade.
Mrs. Olveda is really excited for Jack Reynolds. She says that Jack was helping a friend tie a shoe in the lunch line. Little acts of kindness can really make someone's day. Thanks so much, Jack.
4th grade.
Congratulations to 4th grader Jack Brady. Jack's in Mr. Arias' class, and he was super positive and super focused. Way to go, buddy.
5th grade.
And our 5th grade award winner is Joey Garcia. Joey was such a kind friend and helped another student during spelling practice. That's what we gotta do, is lift each other up so we can all be successful. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, Take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.